Hey everyone, let's make this really creepy flesh-eating plant. I'm gonna start by dipping my paintbrush into some green and yellow paint and just painting some lines. And then I'm going to add little letter B's just to make it look like it has vines. It's really important to dip your brush in both colors. You want to choose complementary colors. So it's a great idea to dip your paint into yellow and green, but I would not do red and green because green is made of blue and yellow, and when you add red, it makes brown. So you want to make sure you're careful with the colors that you mix. With some white paint, I'm just going to add some dashes just to fill up the blank space. Now with some purple construction paper, I am going to cut out some petals, and then with some dark purple paint, I'm going to just roughly paint the inside of the petals. Try and paint in the same direction. And with some yellow paint, I'm going to add another layer of color. You want to choose contrasting colors. And now I'm just going to glue the petals down, and I'm only gluing the bottom of the petals. So on some green paper, I'm cutting a trapezoid shape, and I'm cutting two identical sizes. I'm going to fold them in half, and then I'm going to fold the ends, and then I'm going to fold the tops and the bottoms. About maybe half an inch, and then I'm using my scissors to just cut along those lines so that you can curl the mouth of the plant. It's a little bit tricky. If this is too difficult, you can cut out a circle and fold it in half and glue one half down. And now with some paint pens, I am just painting some rough lines just to give it more color. And with some white construction paper, I am cutting some teeth. You want to make sure to leave a space so that you can fold it and glue it down to the mouth of your plant. So now I'm going to glue the mouth part of the plant to the petals. And with some pink construction paper, I am cutting a long, thin triangle for the tongue. And I'm painting dots on it with paint pens to add more texture. And I'm gluing that to the inside of the mouth. And for some final touches, I am cutting some swirly yellow pieces of paper just to give it more color and shape. Just do what feels good to you. And that is our flesh-eating plant. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. You can support me on my Patreon, and I will see you soon.